Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to trade, buy and sell TRON meme coins. For that, you need to come to Sun Pump where you will be able to see some of the meme coins that are currently launching on this platform. So over here, you just have to select as per your knowledge whichever meme coins you are interested in. Let's say I am interested in this resistance cat, so I simply click on it and then you will be able to see its chart that will look something like this. So over here, according to your own trading knowledge, you just have to simply select the coin, then set up the chart. After that, once you are certain that you want to make the purchase into it, then you just have to simply connect your wallet with it. Now you must be wondering which wallet can you actually connect with Sun Pump. So you just have to use the Tron Link wallet, which is similar to the MetaMask wallet. So you just have to go to the Chrome web store and from there you can download its extension. Now you need to create a new wallet on it, so you must be well aware of creating the wallet on any of the wallets. So you just have to simply create your wallet and back up your mnemonics. After that, you need to click on receive in order to refund your wallet with some TRX, as you need to have TRX in order to make purchases and bear the gas fees. Now, the first method of purchasing the meme coins was using the Sun Pump. The second method of doing so, and the most safe method of doing so, is with the help of DEX tools. So you need to come to DEX tools and first you need to hover over to the top and click on the all chains. After that, you need to select the Tron chain. Now over here you will be able to see the meme coins that are based on Tron and the coins that have reached the mark of 65k market cap. Now these are risky but not as compared to that of the Sun Pump meme coins. Now here you need to select which coin you want to purchase. Let's say you want to purchase Sundog, so you need to first click on it. Then here you will be able to see the wallet address of it. You can even find the more information about this project like their social media handles, and you can even click on this star button in order to add it into the favorites. Now in order to copy the link of it, you just have to simply click on the copy address and you need to come to SunSwap. Now here you need to click on the connect wallet button and first you need to click on the Tron link and connect your Tron link with it. Now once this step is done, you just have to paste the address that you have just copied of the coin from the DEX tools. Now in order to paste it, you need to first click on this drop arrow button and here you need to paste the address, and as you can see that we have our Sundog. Now you need to enter the amount of TRX that you want to spend in order to purchase Sundog, and it will show you the equivalent amount of Sundog that you are going to get. So here you need to click on the swap button and you will get your Tron based meme coins into your Tron link wallet. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.